Hello my friends, welcome to Training Weekends. Today is 3rd of June 2024. So today is Agong birthday, so happy birthday to our Agong. So today holiday, yesterday I did half of the weekly review, so I want to continue the other half we discuss the stock, we talk about this whole week. So we see some momentum in US, also today confirmed, almost like confirmed by today. Asia market also quite strong, Monday, so there's potential market still can go up as I said this is an election year so there could be some changes from normal year where sell on May and go away. So this one could have some changes. US is election year, and a very intense fight between Biden and Trump, so yesterday I hear that Trump already joined TikTok, so Biden already joined TikTok long time, his follower around 300 over 1,000 I consider quite good but Trump joined TikTok where he wanted to ban last time but now you see politics, there's no certain this is forever enemy and forever friend in politics, right? So he joined TikTok and 3 days he got 3 million fans already. Kasihan Biden. Okay, never mind don't want to talk about that okay, so let's continue. Disclaimer first. Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. And it's not easy to change the US to topple the current government administration, the Biden administration, because the job is still very strong, economy still looks good, and this stock market all-time high, keep on pumping all-time high, so it's not easy to kick out an incumbent this administration in such a. That's why they need to continue this if something break before the election, means job market kaput, hangus, or the stock market this big crash, or this US drop into recession, then Biden will be really in trouble but as long as the market, everything is doing fine, Biden still, I think, still have a very high chance to get re-elected, even though Donald Trump got the support is gaining not easy to topple a government which is doing okay okay, let's check out this stock. Yesterday we stopped at industry, so we continue. PMETAL, FGV. Okay, let's check out PMETAL. Metal, the aluminium already rebound, only this steel not yet. Steel not yet. PMETAL. Okay, PMETAL, the report came out, which is good, positive, but after that they sell the news. It's straight away come back. It should be continue up, right? But already hit target. Some more our target already reached, so a lot of selling. But as long as stay above 5.52, I think still okay. Let's drop below as long as stay above 5.52, still got chance probably to go higher. FGV report not good. FGV report not good. Start to drop. Drop below this channel already triangle. Okay, so this is bad. Also, you see all the red, all the Plantation also quite bad so don't focus on Plantation now okay, property, let's check out. We got Avaland, we got divergence here, and also it hit top channel. I think you come back, better we get at the bottom channel we want to play this one, not at the high here we want to buy. This take profit area I think. CRESNDO Crescendo already hit target. Okay, now it's consolidating. If make another flat pattern rebound, maybe want to try again. Okay, but as long as as long as it doesn't make another strong pattern, this is a take profit area. Okay, E&O also making double top. So very near to target. So it make double top. We continue to drop especially drop below 0.95, then it's a confirm. It's almost like confirmation that it's making a double top. Now not yet because it haven't reached the price haven't dropped below the neckline. If price drop below 0.95, then the double top already half already complete. So the next half will be dropping down to the 60 cent area probably. Okay. Agenda or their senior executive kena invest by MACC, so this one not so good. Masing got one more push up after the news, very good. One more pump is have to drop, so you have to be careful This also the target area You see, I redraw the target. Okay, this flat pattern same I'm not chasing here because got divergence also Okay, so we have to be careful Next week continue to drop, most likely coming back down already. This is the could be the top NAIM at the top channel. This is a take profit area, not the buy in area. NCT is making a pattern. If we got big volume push to 0.575, maybe we can try again. So now it's consolidating It really big going up but it still got chance Okay, OSK already hit target area and it's coming back down already. This one also not buy in area, take profit area not the buy in area. Sign property already also buy take profit area also I think coming back down. Bank target also surpassed already, so probably coming back down likely. SMI breakout came back down, so this one quite dangerous Okay, this one also I don't play because the candlestick I cannot see. I'm not saying the stock no good, the company no good only because the chart I cannot see properly Okay. UOA. Okay, UOA is still going up, climbing, but if it start to drop below 1.93, you have to be careful. For now, it's still climbing. Okay. Matrix, PTT. Matrix start to sideways. Okay, if we can break volume, break through 1.83, maybe still can go higher. If drop below 1.72, you have to be careful. Okay. PTT still straight up, so take out order profit, no sell signal, continue to hold. Okay. Okay, now technology. Okay, technology. Okay, CloudPoint got a bit of divergence. I think CloudPoint coming back down to bottom channel or here, here or 0.6 or potential 0.5 got some divergence. Goring already I think. And you see the smart MCDX also got divergence. Not only RSI. Okay. Okay, let's look at D&O. Okay, D&O breakout. Okay, near the target area, it broken through this 3.67. Long term, I think still got chance. Long term still got chance to go higher, but short term, I think it will drop first. If you are playing short term, maybe you take some profit first. I think it will drop first. As long as this the next reversal, the next retracement doesn't drop below 3.29, is okay for me Okay, D-Nex. D-Nex also a big rebound. I think it will retrace first before it goes up. So after it retrace, if it doesn't drop below here, I think it's okay. Drop below here, or even 0.38 also for me still acceptable because the uptrend line is still intact. Okay, this uptrend line. Okay, but short term maybe take some profit first. These on it, same thing also take profit first after it drop. If we can stay above 0.47, I think long term we still got chance to go. EDELTEQ also short term I think it's coming back down, take profit first. Long term as long as stay above 0.34 sorry, I think still got a chance to slowly go up. Genetec trying to break 2.33. If you can break through, I think 2.7 should be no problem. But if we cannot hold 2.13, you have to be careful. Okay. GHLSYS regoring already with news that this Japanese company acquiring them, so taking over. So this one 1.07 already hit our flat pattern target. This type of flat also I don't chase Okay, retake. Retest also breakout. Breakout now coming back down, trying to retest the 4.98. As long as stay around here or rebound here, okay. If it drop back below 4.98, continue drop, then probably cannot really. PIE okay lah, but this I think it's finding difficulty to go higher lah. Already the news all come out already. RAMSSOL, if break this one got chance. I think break 0.54. If we can hold above 0.54 a few days, I think it got chance to go to 0.73, 0.82. Okay, who else? Theta. Okay, Theta now consolidating. Okay, if we continue cannot hold above 1.46, probably coming back down. If we can break through 1.74, it might still want to go higher lah. Then they are tendering for NISC lah. So if they get, then maybe it can very strong lah, can go much higher. Notion, LGMS. Okay, Notion straight up, but we got a pin bar already, so be careful lah. Okay, if the next few days come and continue with the red one, so probably have to take profit already. Okay, or open auto profit. You got sell signal, then you have to be careful. Notion and LGMS. Yeah, LGMS also take profit area, I think. I think it's take profit area. Yeah. It reached the all-time high here. I mean, short term maybe you want to take profit. Long term, if you can hold above 1.43, maybe still can. Maybe still can. But can it still go higher? You have to take some risk. I think you will have a bigger retracement. I think you have a big retracement. If you short term, maybe I think take some profit. Excuse me. Okay, CDB time. Look at this telco. Like, share, comment. Remember, support the channel. Like, share, comment. Okay, time bank also not. I mean, the investment bank also giving whole call So this one I think maybe double bottom forming, double top forming. So be careful lah. CDB not good lah. Already the sideways already broken already. Okay, so I think it's coming back down. Transportation, EATECH, HARBOUR, MISC. EATECH. EATECH broken through but came back down, so you have to be careful. If next week cannot hold 0.35, this could be a false break. It could come back down. So HARBOUR recovering high already, not the buy-in area, take profit area. I think retracement, I think coming back now, coming soon. MISC still growing, but this is also take profit area, already top channel already, not the buy-in area for me. Okay. MALAKOFF, RANDHILL, PETGAS, UZMA, YTL. Okay. UZMA head and shoulder already, be careful I think UZMA coming back down, not so good Okay, look at utilities. Okay, MALAKOFF just broke out, also could be a retracement. I think long term MALAKOFF still got chance to go. Yeah, it just broke out from the triangle. RANDHILL, after the acquisition news not so good if we continue, I think if we got another big volume push to 1.46, maybe go higher, or else I think it will sideways or maybe start to drop. You look at 1.46, you got big volume push through, maybe want to go higher. PECCA slowly climbing, still okay. YTL consolidating. If next week continue to drop, I think it's coming down. Because it really reached target area, YTL and YTL power. Okay, if next week continue to drop, I think it's coming back down already. Look at others. LAYHONG force break. Okay, triangle breakout now coming back to here. I think LAYHONG also, I think the breakout fail already. Dongguan maybe still okay. If we can hold 2 ringgit, okay. If we drop below 2 ringgit, then also might be fail. Okay. Media, Paramon, PECCA. media report not so good lah. Just sideways lah. Sideways. Okay. Paramon take profit area already. Very high already lah. I think because they got some price adjustment lah. Okay. If price cannot hold here, you have to be careful lah. If you cannot hold here, 1.06 lah. But looking at this divergence, I think it'll come back. If you cannot hold 1.06, you have to be careful. Like, share, comment. Okay. PECCA SS8 Smart. PECCA still going lah, but I think the target area is 1.51 lah. If you can push to 1.51, maybe you can go higher. If you cannot, I think this is I think probably this is the high lah. I mean this is a place that you want to take profit lah. SSB8 straight up lah. So you just take auto profit, no sell signal, continue to hold. Continue to hold. And then SMART. This new one. Smart Asia. Look at 15 minutes. We got double. We sideways. If it break above 0.48, maybe go higher. If you want drop below 0.43, you have to be careful. Okay, look at the 15 minutes. This is a new one. Okay, so that's it for today. Okay, so I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye bye.